One most important thing which I would like to tell you all, if you are going to start at first time Varli art, then this is not for you. So ये करने के लिए पहले हमें इसका बेसिक समझना पड़ेगा. If you want to know, if you want to learn the basics, the link is given in the description box, which we have discussed in our earlier video. So if you have done that part, then you can start it on the bubble sheet. So let's do it with me without wasting more time. हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू शंकर वर्मा's आर्ट क्लास. तो आज की क्लास में मैं आपको बताऊंगा व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ द वर्ली आर्ट, क्योंकि हमने पिछली क्लासेस में कवर किया था बेसिक ऑफ द वर्ली आर्ट, जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया था किस तरह से हमें बेसिक फिगर्स बनाना है, ह्यूमन फिगर्स, मेल, फीमेल, दैट वर द बेसिक initially. Then in my next class I'm gonna tell you how to make Varli borders, Varli trees and Varli birds etc. So this is what I'm gonna tell you, किस तरह से हम एनिमल्स वगैरह बना सकते हैं और किस तरह से हम वेरियस डांसिंग फॉर्म करते हुए या फिर ट्रम्पेट बजाते हुए, इस तरह से हम ड्रम वगैरह बजाते हुए किस तरह से हमने पेंटिंग करना है. इस पेंटिंग का बैकग्राउंड करने का जो मेथड है बबल पेंटिंग के थ्रू, वो मैंने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में दिखाया था आपको. तो लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इफ यू वांट टू डू द बैकड्रॉप लाइक दिस. और you can see this is the animal and some birds are flying there and somewhat sitting on the tree. This is the pattern of the Varli art. You can see some people's, as I discussed in my earlier video, we have to depict day to day's life. हमारी जो दिनचर्या होती है, हमारी जो डेली रूटीन होती है, हम अपने वर्ली आर्ट में उन सबको दिखाते हैं. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से ये किस तरह से हमें बनाएंगे, इस आर्ट वर्क को जानने के लिए वीडियो को लास्ट तक देख. First of all, we are going to measuring the center of this paper so that our figures are composed nicely. I'm gonna 5 figures, Varli figures here, so I will make 2 on the left hand side and remaining 2 on the right hand side of this figure, which I'm going to make right now. This is a figure which is playing a kind of ढोलक जिसे कहते हैं हम. इसके अभी फ्रंट पे आप देखेंगे, दिस इज मेकिंग प्लेइंग ढोलक, एंड then we have to give a rope around their neck, and you just have to concentrate on their hand movements, how it is playing this. I select this layout because I want to depict through my artwork how Varli tribes are celebrated their occasions. And it is myth also in the Varli tribes, they used to play various musical instruments when there is a harvesting or any other festivals they are celebrating, like by playing various musical instruments. In musical instruments we can draw any pattern of our choice, but the human figures of the Varli tribes will remain black, as we discussed in our previous classes. And now I am going to draw a drum playing figure. In every figures we have to we have to draw their hand movement according to the musical instrument which they are playing. It depends which instrument they are playing, so that we have to make their hands accordingly. As you can see, it is going to play drum, so I have give 2 sticks in their hand and it feels look like as they are playing drum. Now I'm gonna make the third figure, which is going to play trumpet, and you can see we have drawn as earlier the different pattern in the trumpet, and figures will be black again. So through this artwork, the Varli tribe is going to show their day-to-day life, what they're doing, what they celebrate, and how they enjoying on various occasions. Now you can see last two figures are playing Dhafli, so their hand movements are accordingly as they are going to play Dhafli, right? So students, you have to look at the instrument which you have drawn, and according to the instrument you have to give their hand movements accordingly. You can see different pattern on the bottom of this painting, and as it is Varli art, so I tried to use maximum shapes like triangle and circles, etc. And in the borders also we mostly use these shapes only, straight lines, sleeping, standing, triangles, etc. we have to use. Now let's start the another piece of Varli art. इस आर्टवर्क में मैं आपको बताऊंगा about various birds, animals, Varli trees and patterns and their day-to-day life as we discussed earlier. Whenever Varli tribes to go for work, their working figures I am going to draw, and when they go for selling something, that is what I would like to show in this painting. So you just have to watch it nicely, and then automatically you will be able to understand how to do this Varli art. You just need to understand the concept. Once the concept is clear to you, then you can make this Varli art on the fabric, on your book cover, or anywhere you want to create. You are able to draw this. But one thing we need to make sure if we are going to make Varli art on the cloth or fabric, the medium used to be acrylic paints or Fevicryl paints we have to use on the fabric, because it can be easily washed, poster colors and this which I am using. So you have to make sure you are using fabric colors for the fabric. Now you can see how I am going to make an animal. And when we are going to make birds and animal in the Varli art, then we have to leave a space at their eyes place. Now you can see I have drawn a fruit seller or vegetable seller, you can say. Now I'm going to make a whirly figure with the bunch of wooden sticks at their head. And lastly, I have drawn a female who is going to bring water at their home. So likewise, as I told you earlier, any pattern you can make on the musical instrument or the pot or like this, and then you can the figures will be remains black always. Now look at the sun, how I'm gonna drawing so that all the rays of the sun will be equal and looks nicely after completing it. And now I am going to draw bird, flying bird you can say, in the sky. So as I have leave a space for their eyes so that it looks quite realistic, and then we'll make their wings and we complete likewise as I am doing. I want to draw a beautiful peacock also. So their head depicts and their feathers at the back will show this is a peacock, and at the last of his feathers we will make a small triangles as I am doing, you can see. Now I'm gonna make some of the birds are sitting on the tree. This is the pattern of making birds in the Varli art, and you can follow the same to make if you want to make birds. Likewise, we'll complete our Varli artwork, and if you like my video, then please like, share, comments and subscribe.